Indirect Tax Committee of PSG Chamber of Commerce is organizing a National Conclave on GST, Growing Stronger Together, on 29 June 2018 at PSD House. We have invited Mr. Sushil Modi, Chairman, Group of Minister, GST Council, followed by CVIC Chairperson, Mr. Mahendra Singh, Member GST. We have also invited Delhi State Finance Minister, Mr. Manish Sisodia. And there would be presence of CEO Mr. Prakash Kumar GSTN with his team for making presentation on GSTN. We will have open house session, and in that open house session we have invited industrialists to come in. Alongside our President Mr. Anil Khaitan, President PSG Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Rajiv Talbar, Senior VP, Mr. D.K. Agrawal, VP, PSG Chamber of Commerce, with other industry panelists. At the same time, we are going to discuss number of issues for GST for last 1 year. We are inviting each one of you to participate in this National Conclave on GST, Growing Stronger Together.